My dear good people of Rivers State, it is with great joy and total difference to the Almighty God that I address you. It is with great nostalgia I reflect on your trust and the absolute confidence you bestowed on us on that fateful March 18, 2023, when you gave us your mandate. Even with that overwhelming support, we had to go through litigation to validate your choice and confirmation of your mandate to us. We are deeply elated by the verdict of the Supreme Court of our dear nation, which has finally affirmed our victory. I owe this victory not to my effort or our ingenuity, but to God and to you, the good people of Rivers State. I am deeply indebted to Mr. President, Senator Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for his fatherly role in our state, and all our leaders and well-meaning citizens of Rivers State. Let me assure our people that this victory is not just an affirmation to consolidate our office, but an immeasurable energizer to accelerate governance with utmost sense of commitment for the benefit of our people, irrespective of political persuasion or ethnic affiliation. In this regard, what is important to us is the accelerated growth and development of our dear state. Now that the litigations are over, we call on the opposition political parties in the state to join hands with our government to build the river state of our dream. Despite witnessing few challenges in the past months, we will continue to explore the path of peace as the only foundation to create the wealth that will pull our people out of poverty. As a government, we shall continue to pursue the prosperity of our people, no matter the cost. I extend the olive branch to my contenders and all other who went through the hall and or who withdrew their cases for the love of the state. I believe we are all Rivers people, and by virtue of that brotherhood, let us therefore put aside our differences and bond together to build one indivisible and a greater river state that posterity will remember us for. I assure you that our campaign promise, anchored on consolidation and continuity, are still on course as we have navigated victoriously through the storm of litigation. We promise to accelerate our efforts to speedily deliver on our mandate without delay. As your governor, take it from me as a guarantee that a greater river state is possible and we must achieve it. It is heartwarming to note that in the past 7 months, our administration has recorded some remarkable achievements in the areas of human capital development, social investment engineering, infrastructural development, macro and macroeconomic advancement, and sustainable social economic development across the state. In addition, we have made some sustainable progress in infrastructure, housing, security, urban renewal development, as well as rural healthcare delivery. We intend to sustain the tempo and expand the development net in the great ride to prosperity in our states. Hence, this is not a moment to give a report on our development trajectory. We have shown our modest effort in putting our state in a higher pedestal with the hope that at the end of the day, every Rivers man and woman will feel the joy of a glorious era. It is on this note that once again I thank and congratulate all Rivers people, our leaders, and well wishers on this resounding victory and pray for peace and rapid progress in our states. Be assured that this victory is for all of us as Rivers people, both indigenous and residents alike. Thank you, and may God bless Rivers State.